Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best tie rod tool is probably one of the most underappreciated tools in your garage, but it's an absolute lifesaver when it comes to steering and suspension work. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a weekend warrior, this tool simplifies the process of removing and installing tie rods, saving you time, effort, and potentially a trip to the repair shop. Today, we're diving deep into the world of tie rod tools. Number 5. Orion Motor Tech 5 PC Front-End Service Kit. This comprehensive kit includes 5 adjustable tools. It is designed for a wide range of domestic and import vehicles, making it a versatile choice for any mechanic. Crafted from a hardened alloy, this tool set is built to last. It can handle even the toughest jobs, ensuring durability and reliability. The versatile design of this kit allows it to be used on many vehicles. It can serve as a pitman arm remover, ball joint separator, or tie rod end puller. The custom-molded ABS case keeps everything organized and secure. It's perfect for both amateur and professional mechanics who are always on the go. Orion Motor Tech guarantees the quality of this tool set. If any issues arise, please contact us. We are committed to ensuring you receive the best. What we like. This kit is your all-in-one solution for front-end service. It's built tough to handle the most stubborn jobs, and it works with a wide range of vehicles. If you're a professional mechanic or a serious DIYer who wants a complete set, this is the one for you. What people say. I've only used 2 of the tools so far, but they worked perfect for removing the pitman arm and tie rod ends from a 1978 Chevy C10 truck. The tools are well built. All these tools are made good and work. Nice set, used to separate 50-year-old steering components and even held up to removing the pitman arm nut, where others fail. Number 4. OEMTOOLS 27178 Master Tie Rod Removal Tool Set. This tool set includes 12 crowfoot adapters, ranging from 1 to 3/16 to 42 mm. It's compatible with a wide variety of vehicles, making it perfect for both small cars and larger SUVs. This versatility ensures you have the right tool for the job. The adapters feature a durable nickel-plated finish. This design helps resist corrosion and wear, ensuring the tools last a long time. It's ideal for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The 1-2 drive tube handle allows for accurate torque application. This design helps during the installation and removal of tie rods. You can achieve secure and precise results with minimal effort. It comes with a secure storage case to keep everything organized. This is perfect for mobile mechanics or anyone who needs to transport their tools. The case keeps everything in one place. This master inner tie rod tool set fits most vehicles, including trucks and SUVs. Whether you're working on standard or metric vehicles, it provides the versatility needed. This set is designed to handle diverse automotive repairs. What we like. This tool set offers a wide range of adapter sizes, making it compatible with various vehicles. The nickel-plated finish ensures it lasts, and the design allows for precise torque application. If you're looking for a reliable and versatile tool for both small cars and larger SUVs, this set is a great choice. What people say. It works well and got the job done. Well constructed. Came completely together in a hard case and has a lot of car adapters. Well built. I used it on a 2005 Chevy Malibu, and it worked perfectly. Number 3. Toolwiz 3/8-inch Inner Tie Rod Removal Tool. Tired of struggling with inner tie rods? This tool makes the job easy. It allows you to remove inner tie rods without removing the outer tie rod. This tool is suitable for all 30 to 42 mm standard tie rods. It will work on any rod that fits between the 3-inch top and bottom components. Using this tool is straightforward. Just slide it over the end and tighten the collar. Then, use a 3/8-inch drive extension to turn it. The tool's teeth provide a secure grip on the tie rod. You can confidently use a socket wrench or breaker bar to turn it as needed. This tool has a compact and low-profile design for easy storage. It's an inexpensive and effective way to handle smooth tie rod ends. What we like. This tool is designed for easy inner tie rod removal and installation. Its compact design and secure grip make it simple to use. If you like a straightforward, effective tool that gets the job done without fuss, you'll appreciate this one. What people say. Works like a charm. Good quality, and it bites the inner tie rods really well, even with its low profile, thanks to having serration on the main body and the clamp. Works exactly as intended and fits over inner tie rods of various sizes. Easy to use and worth having in the toolbox. Great tool that works on many tie rod end designs. It's very manual and requires some fooling around to get it to lock on, but once you do, it takes the tie rods off easily. Number 2. Lisle 58100 Inner Tie Rod Tool Set, 12 PC. This tool set makes removing and installing tie rods easy. The long socket slips over the tie rod end. The crow's foot engages on the socket. This allows for easy removal and installation of tie rods with inaccessible wrench flats. It includes 12 crow's feet in various sizes. This ensures that it can fit a wide range of vehicles. The set includes sizes like 1 to 3/16, 1 to 1/4, and many more. This variety ensures the tool fits many cars, trucks, and SUVs. This tool set is designed for a vehicle-specific fit. It's a must-have for any mechanic or DIY enthusiast. What we like. This set features a long socket design and includes a wide range of sizes to fit many cars, trucks, and SUVs. If you are looking for a tool that is designed to fit specific vehicles, this is the one for you. What people say. The tube wrench locks in place on the crow's feet, and the 1 2-inch drive worked perfectly with my torque wrench. First use took the tie rod right off and allowed me to properly torque the replacement, instead of hemming it with locking pliers. Made in USA. Worked perfectly on my 1996 Mercury Villager Nissan Quest. Simple to use, and unless you're wanted to drop motor mounts or whatever to free engine for lifting to attempt the process, it's almost a de facto necessity. Number 1. VEVOR 13 PCS Inner Tie Rod Removal Toolkit. This toolkit is designed for easy and effective inner tie rod removal. It allows you to remove and install the inner rod without removing the rack and pinion. It's suitable for most vehicles, making your work much easier. The kit is universally compatible with cars, pickups, and off-road vehicles. Whether you're working on a domestic or imported vehicle, this tool has you covered. It's a versatile solution for your needs. This kit includes 12 crowfoot-style adapters in various sizes. These adapters ensure you have the right fit for the job. They help you get the work done quickly and efficiently. The tie rod drawing tools and adapters are all steel forged for long-lasting use. The flexible sliding collar secures the adapters. It is compatible with 1 2-inch drive wrenches and features a knurled handle for firm control. The operation is straightforward. Simply slide the adapter, rotate the collar to fix it, and use a 1 2-inch ratchet or impact wrench. It simplifies the entire process, saving you time and effort. The tool kit comes with a case for easy storage and portability. This helps you keep everything organized and ready for any vehicle repair emergency. It's convenient to carry around. What we like. This kit is designed for secure and effective inner rod removal. It comes with 12 crowfoot adapters and is easy to operate. If you are looking for a tool that is easy to use and has a wide range of adapters, you should consider this one. What people say. The tool fit fine in my case. The tool worked great for tightening the new one with my 1/2 drive torque wrench. Well made with heavy steel pieces connect as they should to be used safely, and welds are precise and thorough. 1/2 drive hollow tube is long enough for most vehicles' inner tie rod ends. The case is in pretty good shape and I can see many years worth of work or use out of it and the tool. Many sizes to fit many brands and models of vehicles. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.